What's up, Overlanders? Today we're going to be moving our rear diff breather up under our hood. So we've got some fuel line, we've got our little fittings and our new breather. Let's get into it. Threw me under here without the spare. So first thing, take your spare out.
Good job.
Yeah, thank you. Diff breather is right back here. We're going to take that out first, then we're going to put the new little fitting in. We're going to run the hose and then lock everything down. So the stock breather is 14 millimeters. I don't know which ones you guys have, but I'll post the link in the description to all of this stuff. The new one I have, it's not the breather, it's just this fitting, is 12 millimeters. So you'll need, if you have the same stuff I do, you'll need a 14 and a 12 millimeter wrench. Oh, yep, there was some air in there. Sorry, there was not much air in there actually. Sucked air in. Try to get the new one in there without getting any dirt inside. Well, that was pretty painless. There's the old one. And just because I'm a little paranoid, I'm going to leave a little bag over this because it's just an open hole right now pretty much until the hose gets on there. Okay, let's start running hose so we can see how much we need. Okay, so we're going to start where these other breathers are here and just run the hose down. And just kind of feed it through as we go, and then cut it when we know it's the perfect length. Running it right along all the other hose down here. All right, so I ran the hose over next to those other breathers and down, following all the other hose lines past the steering column. I'm just getting it up underneath all of this. We're gonna run this through and then I'm gonna end up zip tying it to these other hoses that are down here. Going up and over this bracket.
You ready?
Let's get this thing connected. Get the hose clamps on there. Stick the hose on. Okay, we'll run the breather over and start zip tying and tighten everything up. I'm gonna cut myself a little bit extra right now. So when I start zip tying, I'll cut the last bit right before finishing it all off. So I got a bunch of zip ties. Just zip tie it wherever you find, whatever you see fit. I'm just gonna zip tie it to all the hoses that are already down there. Okay, we got the fuel line all run for the breather. Here's the breather type to put it on. We're gonna stick this on. Zip tie it, hose clamp everything, and then we're good to go. We're gonna put the breather on the end of the hose. Give it a little lubricant. There you go. Zip tie it. There you go. All done. Now we're just going to throw a couple hose clamps on there on the end of it. You guys know what that looks like. So thanks again for watching and stay tuned for the next one.